In this lesson, we'll explore another impressive functionality of the Anaconda Assistant. Rather than seeking code creation or debugging, we'll tackle this from the reverse angle. To begin with, we'll input a code snippet that's functioning correctly. It consists of two dictionaries, a variable, an iteration containing the three elements, and a print function. By clicking on the Anaconda Assistant icon at the top of the given code cell, we can select from three options. The first one offers to clearly explain the mechanics used behind each part of the selected code. This feature can be very useful if your colleagues have given you complex programs and you need to understand their work. Now, imagine you're in the opposite situation. You've already prepared a functional program to pass on to your colleagues. Suppose your code doesn't contain any comments, which is essential to add to your work when you're part of a team. In such a case, choose Add Comments to the selected code. If you're satisfied with the clarifications, click Replace Selection. This will immediately apply the generated comments to your notebook code cell. It's now clear how we can obtain explanations and comments. But we can also choose the Refactor the Selected Code option. What does that functionality stand for? It's similar to the code explanation we just obtained, but also includes suggestions about cleaning it of useless segments or simplifying it. In other words, this feature can be convenient if you want to improve your code's interpretability. But there's a hidden risk. You might obtain suggestions involving unfamiliar tools. In this example, the assistant suggested using list comprehension, a great Python tool we'll focus on later. So we'd better take it one step at a time. First, advance your Python skills before optimizing the use of this assistant, right? There's nothing wrong with consulting the Anaconda Assistant when you need an explanation of an error you've encountered, or if you're stuck in your coding. So feel free to use it whenever necessary. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next one.